Yeah.
It's scary. You're looking over the edge, you're like, okay, don't fall over, please, because this is a cracked wall. This wall will not hold you if you trip and fall right down. There's the iPhone inside of the watermelon. All right, here it comes in 3, 2, 1. Oh, here is the most amazing place I've ever been able to drop test anything in my life. What's up, and welcome back to another episode of Gizmo Slip. Can this watermelon protect the 17 Air from a 25-story drop test off of this giant skyscraper? It's gonna be freaking epic. Let's get started.
Okay, now, from the beginning.
Hit it, boys.
Oh, yum, 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 yum. iPhone slot, I think, is ready. So here's the iPhone going in. Just a little bit of leakage. It's okay. It's about to explode everywhere anyway. All right, the iPhone's all buttoned up in there. Time to go for a drop test. Wow, this is a good looking watermelon too. Look at how yellow that spot is, how deep the green is. Man, I wish I could eat this watermelon, but we gotta drop test it instead. This is gonna be a right explosion. Okay, here we are. Do you think it will survive? Or is this iPhone 17 Air toast? Post in the comments down below what you think is gonna happen before you watch the whole video. Okay, no cheating. We'll know if you cheat, okay? I'm gonna really try to destroy Darren's Instant X5 camera this time. Hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. There's the iPhone inside of the watermelon. All right, here it comes in 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Oh, I missed the instant camera. Close though. The explosion, it just freaking popped. Oh, that looks gorgeous. Let's go see if that iPhone 17 Air survived this drop test. I'm thinking no.
There he is, the man who has it out from my 360 camera.
I almost hit it.
You almost hit it. See, he was aiming for it. He was like, I'm gonna get this. I'm gonna get this. And he just is a bad shot, and that's why.
Yeah, I'm working on the whole, like, you push it a little bit and it goes like 20 feet. Like, you know, I just needed to push it a little bit this way. I actually was not far off. That's pretty close.
Yeah, I was gonna say,
That was an 8 out of 10 throw.
I was a little nervous for a sec. Play, fast forward. I was able to zoom in a little bit because I saw where it was gonna go, so we got a really nice centered shot on this one.
It was quite explosive from up top. It just went like instant disintegration, and I don't think there's any chance of us picking up all these watermelon pieces. It is everywhere. Ooh, go back.
Yeah.
Oh my god, wow.
Let's see.
Dun 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 dun. Boom! It just missed it.
Dude,
It's misted.
look at the feet of my tripod. It's like at the base of an explosion in the desert or something.
It is. That's what it looks like. Exactly what it looks like.
Oh man.
Chunks of watermelon everywhere, but they're tiny because it got vaporized literally from such a huge impact.
Gravity's a little insane.
Gravity's a little insane. That's what my head would be like if I dropped from.
Yeah.
It's scary. You're looking over the edge. You're like, okay, don't fall over, please, because this is a cracked wall. This wall will not hold you if you trip and fall right down. All right, here it is. There's the iPhone 17 Air. It looks promising. I have no clue if it's alive or dead at this point. It looks pretty dead based on the back, but let's see if the front will turn. Oh, I saw a flash. It flashed for a moment. There was a little breath of life left in it. Upon closer inspection, that thing is shattered. We need a bigger watermelon next time. Thailand doesn't make the watermelons very large, but I tried to pick the biggest watermelon I could find in the supermarket. Look at that spider webbing, the crack. Looks like the camera lens survived the impact, but everywhere else is shattered. The battery itself is lifting out of the back of the case. The shiny metal rim around it is looking pretty good, but we are also warped, twisted. Oh, it just vibrated. It just did the haptic feedback vibration for trying to log in. That means the internals are still alive.
So maybe if you swap
The internals are still alive. Maybe I can take this into the Apple store and be like, yeah, I dropped it. Can you repair it? and we'll see what they say. So be sure to subscribe if you don't want to miss out on that video. And if you want to see the previous iPhone 17 Air with nano tape, you can click up here right now for that one. Okay, we'll see you in the next one. Brandon, out.
You're not supposed to follow me. You're supposed to stop.
Ridiculous.